Respect by Salomon Chater. Learn about the meaning of respect. A tale about the adventures of Mr. Lion and his spectacular rescue of Elephant. The Change of Iguana by Valentina Arisa. Can a rude iguana realize it is never too late to change? A story about change, redemption, and friendship. The Three Friends by Jose Sanchez. A raccoon, a jaguar, and a cheetah join efforts in a tale full of sports and science. An exciting cliffhanger. The Adventures of Spy Kit by Camila Mufti. How did cats and humans become friends? Read this beautifully illustrated story with lessons of kindness for us all. The Big Game by Camilo Sabag. A tree holds a surprise that changes the results of a big soccer match in magical ways. Ricky the Pig, a friendship story by Maria Paulina Palacios. Pigs Ricky and George show us what true meaning of friendship is. Be ready to use your handkerchiefs. So moving. The Four Spirals by Mateo Gutierrez. A story about Nicolas and his breathtaking adventures to save the earth from evil spirals. A story of fantasy and courage. The Black Swan by Marianne Vergara. Being different might make us stronger. Read the story of a young swan that proves himself through an exciting act of bravery. Friends No Matter What by Elena Mantilla. Written in journal format, this story of friendship will surely bring a smile to your face. Dork Diaries, move over. The Legend of Canilcas by Gabriel Rosales Suarez. Fantasy at its very best. Revel in the legend and the man behind the legend in this fast-paced story that ends with a twist you will never forget. A Little Bird Told Me by Daniela Montoya. Discover the truth behind the saying in this beautiful story about forgiveness and kindness.